Hey there! If you're enjoying my content, consider subscribing. You can always change your mind later. Now let's get into it.
little bit. Looks like. Yes, sir.
Morning, how are
Good
you?
morning. Yeah. Good.
No,
good.
you're in no parking zone, right?
Yeah, I just ran out of service. I delivered to
Claim.
McLean. Yeah, you know, there's no truck stops or anything around. You know, I'm getting my hours.
One. If you get on 27, you go a mile down the road on the left.
Yeah.
There's a BP double quick. He's got 5 or 6 truck spots in the back of it.
Yeah, it's just I didn't have enough hours to get there. You know the logbook hours of service. So it's kind of illegal to drive.
I understand, but it's
Yeah.
also illegal to park.
Yeah,
In no parking zone, you know you're in violation.
yeah. So do you want me to go to the truck
Yes,
stop?
sir.
Yeah.
I can give you about 10 minutes to do whatever you got to do, but you can't stay here. The way this is you can park here from 7 p.m. to 5 a.m.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah, I saw the sign. Yeah, I apologize for this. It's just, you know.
I understand it's
Yeah.
not totally your fault. McLean has a fault in it too. It's terrible the way they do the truck driver.
Yeah, man, I saw lots of trucks, you know, parked on the side of the road. So, yeah,
They
it's
make enough money, they can build a parking lot for y'all to go to.
Exactly. Okay, yep. So I'm just gonna go there. You said make a left right here.
Make a left on 27, 1 mile down the road on your left is a BP double quick.
Double quick. Okay. I'll find it. All
You
right.
can't miss it.
Yeah.
It's a pretty good one. It's got home cooked food in there. It's got diesel fuel if you need diesel.
Is that okay to park, you know, and stay there
Yeah.
for a couple of hours? Is that okay to stay in to park there for like a couple of hours?
Yeah. Yeah, they've got actual truck parking.
Ah, they do? Okay, nice. All right, so I'm just gonna go there. Thank you, sir. Yeah, I apologize. Like next time I come here, I'll go straight to the truck stop. I didn't know about it, you know.
Yeah.